You dropped it. Get it. This is our house pet. Tell us about him, Joe.
Well, his full name is Jimmy Voodoo Jazz, and he's the coolest pet in the history of pets. Aren't you, little?
He's kind of a messy eater.
But he eats a lot.
If you try and take it away.
He's not doing it.
Oh. He's okay now. Oh, he winked at us. Yep. Yes!
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
Ah, you're gonna fall! Boop.
You're nice, Nikki.
He doesn't care. Yeah.